Alright folks, we're at the DFW Car and Toy Museum today. They're doing a veterans car and bike show. It's like they're taking all comers. We're going to do a row walk first and see what they had. And then we'll come back and do some one-offs. There's a pretty little vet there. White Knight looks like his nickname. Another Camaro.
Yes, sir. Here you go.
Another Corvette.
What's your name?
Got a Mitsubishi there.
You have one in the back. Everyone else do not leave. You guys got a prize as well. Alright?
Oh man, they got plenty of cars today. Got some Mustangs, got some older cars over on this side. Got an old VW, didn't pay the parking tickets. Oh, I think I'm gonna go down this side. Nice Mustang there. Nice vet. Another Mustang. Gonna come back and get that Nova for a Nova fan. Or is that a Nova? I'm not sure what that is. We'll find out in a minute. Blue Brothers police car looks like. Wow, look at that. Lincoln Continental. Nice flag, little old original Mini Coopers, along with some other Mini Coopers. Got a truck here. Kind of dropped.
Right here.
Hey, they got all kinds of cars at this show.
There's a coin in there. There's some keychains. The sticker?
Come back around this side.
This one.
Cracking motors.
There you go. I see you trying to challenge these little kids. They did.
Alright, we got some more over on this side. Some Rail Custom. We'll find a few here to do some videos on. Monster Squad, oh, Subaru row over here. Alright folks, well, pretty, I'd say a very diverse set of cars, no doubt about that. 5-star Subaru, looks like they got a vehicle out here. Alright folks, like and subscribe. We'll go do some singles now. Texas Car Wash Classics, we'll keep them coming. Seems like some pretty unique vehicles, so let's up and down as we can.